All right, a coordinate system or coordinate plane is used to locate points in a two-dimensional plane. The horizontal line we call the what? X-axis. The vertical line we call the y-axis. Okay, if you think of a coordinate pair, it is x, comma, y. So the first number is the x, the second number is the y. So we're going to look at this graph and answer these questions. Gage is located at -2, 1. What room is he in? So we start at 0, 0, go to -2, up to 1. He is in the computer lab. He is in the computer lab. Let me pull this out a little bit. Alrighty. Then Susie is in the art room, but her next class is in the history room. So Susie is in the art room, which is where? Let's see the art room. Solid. There is no art room unless y'all see it. So there's art. I found it. Never mind. Okay. Art is up here. Her next class is in the history room. So how is she going to get there? What is she going to do to get there? Well, what do you think the easiest thing for her to do is? You can go a few ways. You want to go right and then down, or do you want to go down and then right? Let's go down. So how many is she going down? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down. And then she's going to go right. How many is she going to go right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 to the right. So when they say directions, you cannot right now go diagonal. Okay? We'll get there later this year, but right now, okay? On the map, which classrooms are located in the third quadrant? So first we have to figure out what third quadrant is. So this is 1, 2, 3, and 4. So the third quadrant's here. So we have science. And we have math. What is the location of science? Well, start at 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it's negative because we went left. And 1, 2. We went down, so it's negative. Math is 1, 2, 3 from 0 to the left, so it's negative. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down, so it is negative. Okay? Then it says the school added a robotics class at the coordinate -2, 5. Place the robotics class on the map. So start at 0, 0, 1, 2 to -2, and up 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So this would be where robotics is. Okay? That's a little bit of review. You did that a long time ago. I want to make sure we're good because we're going to do a little bit of a mixture of things today. For the second part, slope-intercept, this is what we looked at last year. So this is your y equals mx plus b. M is next to x. This is called the slope. B is the y-intercept. Slope is a fraction, that is rise over run. The y-intercept is where your graph or your line crosses the y-axis. Okay, where your graph crosses the y-axis, and we'll talk about that here in a minute. Okay, so looking at page 2, there's just 3 of them, not that bad. Your n is next to x always, so that's -2/3. Your b is -2. So if this is your graph, this is your y, this is your x, so your b is your y-intercept, so it crosses at -2, right? 0, 1, 2. And your slope is -2/3, so we are going to go down 1, 2, over 1, 2, 3. Down 1, 2, over 1, 2, 3. Okay, and I will zoom in on these ones since we don't need as much space for you to see. Okay, so again, started at -2, went down 2, over to 2, 3, down 2, over 3. Because it's negative, that's why I went down. And the 3, I always want to go right if I can on the bottom part. Okay, and then if you wanted to, right, you could actually draw a line. Okay, so looking at the next one, 2x plus 1. So first, what is your m? 2. And to make that a fraction, what would I have to put on the bottom? A 1. Good. And then my b is 1. Y-axis, x-axis. Plot my y-intercept, which is at 1. Because this is positive this time, I'm going to go up 1, 2, and over 1. 1, 2, and over 1. And again, I could draw a line through that if I wanted. Okay, now looking at the last one. What is my m? -1/2. What is my b? 4. So I'm going to start at 1, 2, 3, 4 on the y-axis. Because it's negative, I'm going to go down. And then I'm going to go right because I always like to go to the right. So down, over 2. Down 1, over 2. Down 1, over 2. And that's it.